Okay, you guys might have known my YouTube channel DJCJ2, which is what this video be is uploaded on. But there's something that some of you might have not know. How do you get to my YouTube channel? Well, this is the tutorial for you. It will be it will impact for TV, laptop, well PC, mobile, and tablet. So first I'm going to be doing laptop. And it can also work on tablet and mobile. And then later on, I will show you how to search my video on the TV. So, let's get to the intro. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll be doing a tutorial video on how to find my YouTube channel. Basically, I've done YouTube for like about 2 years, and now I've got 2,280 subscribers. But I'm going to show you how you can easily find my YouTube channel. So right now we're going to Chrome. I'm going to pull up YouTube. Now right there, I've already subscribed to my channel, but I can easily show you how to get there. First up, you gotta search in DJCJ2. There. Now here's the thing. There are other channels that contain the name DJCJ like that. The main thing that we want to find is this profile picture. I mean, I know I still have that, but I just started YouTube and I don't know a perfect profile picture, so I just went with this. And we gotta find the name and also the @ symbol, DJCJ Music YT. Now once you search that up, you might see a lot of other videos that I've recently used to do confidence, but I quit. But the one thing that we must look is this. When you go to there, easy. All you had to do is find this profile. If you don't know what profile I meant, I'll post it right here. That's the profile you need to find. Now that one's done, you simply go right there. And now you can subscribe. I already did mine and I turn on all notifications. Now that's an easy way to find my channel. Another way to find it, I've created a channel called CJ El Mexicano, which is this. That one you can easily find my channel, and whenever you press more, there is my main channel, which leads to here. Now that is how you find my YouTube channel. Now you might be wondering, how do you find your YouTube channel on your TV? Well, first off, you can easily find it using either my new name, CJ El Mexicano, or you can also find it on my main channel. Now, if you see this tutorial, send this to anyone, no matter who it is, send this to anyone. And I will leave my main YouTube channel in the description or in a card somewhere right there. So now that one's covered, I'm going to show you how you can find it on a TV. First, I gotta flip this desk over and we'll head on to the TV. This is my TV. Now, no matter what TV you have, I will show you how you can find my YouTube channel on the TV. First up, we gotta turn on my TV. Well, I gotta turn on my TV. Oh, there's the controller. Seems old, but still usable. Now, you can press the home button, no matter what TV you have, like Fire. There. Now we're on to the YouTube TV. Now I think I gotta turn the lamp on and turn this light off. I'll be right back. Now let's go into my profile picture. Let's go to my profile. Now here's the thing. Right up there it says DJCJ2. So you click on this. And like I said, you must click on this video. Yeah, right there, that's my video. You must find the title Witchblade. I played a Geometry Dash video containing that, so yeah. The way to find it, you go right there and you click right there. And it says subscribe and also go to channel. There you can easily find my channel. Right here. It's really easy. All you have to do is find a certain Geometry Dash video. And that's it. It's literally it. Seems easy enough. Now I gotta turn the ceiling light on and then get the lamp off. So I will do that and I will be right back. Okay, now that you've known my how to get to my YouTube channel, send this tutorial with anyone. Like I said, with anyone, no matter who they are, and send this whenever, no matter what device they have. I'll be putting my I can also put my main channel in the description or in the card that's shown during this video. I'm sorry if the TV didn't appear right, but you gotta find a Geometry Dash video that has DJCJ2 in it. That's literally me. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video.